In dissecting the legal landscape impacting our nation, a significant development has emerged in the ongoing legal battle involving former President Donald Trump. The United States Supreme Court has recently issued a ruling that carries profound implications for Trump's criminal prosecution. In this comprehensive breakdown, we will delve into the details of this ruling and explore its potential ramifications. The Supreme Court has granted the request of Special Counsel Jack Smith to expedite briefing on the issue of absolute presidential immunity in criminal cases. This decision comes in response to a federal judge denying Trump's attempt to dismiss the indictment based on claims of absolute immunity. The key details of the Supreme Court's decision include granting Smith's motion to expedite consideration of the petition for a writ of certiorari before judgment, directing Donald Trump to file a response to the petition by December 23, 4:00 p.m. Eastern Time. Breaking down this development, Donald Trump had filed a motion to dismiss the indictment in a criminal case scheduled for trial on March 4, 2024. However, the federal judge overseeing the case, Judge Tanya Chouhan, rejected Trump's motion, asserting that presidents are not entitled to absolute immunity from criminal prosecution. Unhappy with this decision, Trump filed an appeal to the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals and sought to stay all proceedings in the district court. Special counsel Jack Smith opposed Trump's efforts, arguing that the trial should proceed as planned. However, Smith took an assertive step by filing a request with the Supreme Court to expedite the process, citing the case's utmost importance to democracy and drawing parallels to the historic case of United States v. Nixon. The Supreme Court promptly granted Smith's request, expediting the briefing process on whether to hear the case. It is crucial to note that the Supreme Court at this stage is not deciding on the case's arguments, but is accelerating the process to determine whether to hear it. Trump has until December 23, 2023, to file his opposition to expedite the case. Anticipate robust arguments and possibly strong statements from Trump's legal team during this period. Simultaneously, Jack Smith filed a motion to expedite proceedings before the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals, which was also swiftly granted. This implies that the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals is moving expeditiously to decide whether to expedite Trump's appeal. If all unfolds according to plan, a resolution could be reached before the crucial trial date on March 4, 2024. Fast-forwarding to the latest development, the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals has expedited the briefing on whether to expedite Trump's appeal, indicating a commitment to swiftly determine the overall appeal process. The court has set tight deadlines for Trump's response and any subsequent replies, with Trump's response due by 10 a.m. on December 13, 2023, and any reply from Jack Smith due by 10 a.m. on December 14, 2023. In summary, the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals is actively working to ensure a prompt resolution to Trump's appeal. This adds another layer to the intricate legal maneuvers unfolding in what can be described as a chess match of legal strategy. The coordination between the Supreme Court and the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals underscores a shared recognition of the urgency and significance of the case. As we await Donald Trump's opposition to the expedited briefing before the Supreme Court, brace yourselves for a legal showdown. Trump's legal team is likely to argue against expediting the case, adding another layer of complexity to this unfolding legal drama. Concurrently, we will be closely monitoring the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals for their decision on whether to expedite Trump's appeal. The timeline is tight, but the legal system is in motion, and every move is critical. Stay tuned for continued updates as this legal drama unfolds. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses on legal matters shaping our nation. Andrew and I will catch you in the next update. Until then, stay informed and stay engaged.